Kajing rakhi ke Durga Puja ke badai jongki riu ngai Hindu. Kelas dang no menta ke singining kong ke arp khandai trik nai lur arjar posan. Hakabala yoi ke jing shit rahem jongki riu ngai Hindu hakaleng ki Jaka jong ke Shillong. Kibala mi na laki yeng ki sem jongki ban let shiki mandir ne ki Jaka mani ki jongki. Habayu abani Korean bad Tamal Gupta usketri jong ke Shillong Hindu Dharma Sabha. Uloong ba ke Shillong Hindu Dharma Sabha kaladap shispa arposan snem menta. Ya kabala sedang ningkong haus nam khat khandai spa iwei bat kani kadeiru kabawan kabaar kum ka Jaka rakhi puja kabarem bha hadien jong laban hari sabha uloong ru baka building jong ke Hindu Dharma Sabha kala bha bat kila thumu ban shnapan bha da kabapan thamai no yaka bat uloong bala da Kheiñ lang Baroh ki Jaka le Niam Puja ha Shillong Baroh kila dan Kumba Henry polai Tylli shu uloong ba klemdon manu ru bala yarap ban beiting ka Henry la shuno senyang bat lalum na kawei pakawei ka long yang jong ki riu ngai ye kani ke jing rakhi Durga Puja jong ki riu ngai Hindu in sapen kot haka atrik jong niu banai banwan la ya thu do Tamal Gupta
kini lalong menta sispa arfo sansnem kini ke puja sispa arfo sansem. It started in 19,001. That means this year it is 125th year, and the puja started today only. It will go on for 3 days. Lightning will celebrate, and the second will immerse it. Okay, and we have our building is very old now. We are planning to build it. Let's see what happens because it is 100 and the floors, everything is old one, no? Very old. So everything is you have to build up of this puja, of this year's puja. Okay, got it? We keep on changing every year. It's not that I'll keep on doing it. This is how it goes. It will end on 2nd. We'll immerse it. Now we all debate. We all collect from home to home. Whoever gives what, then only we do it. We start from home to home. We collect, and then we celebrate this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pujas in Police Bazaar. Pujas in Police Bazaar area, Jail Road, on this side. 6 of. Talking about this, we have 63 pujas all together in Shillong.